Okay, this is my first time doing this experiment. So I'm about to do hair cutting today. So I'm about to pull this mess right now. Shit. Got the thing back in my pocket. And not on mine, by the way. So put this cup down for a minute. Just like this. I should not burn myself. See this what? Nah, I failed that one. Second one. Yeah, I failed that one, bro. This smoke still coming out though. Still coming out. So for all of them, let's put all of them. So let's break off one. Let's put on this. Feel me? So this experiment is good. So by the way, you can use any kind of things you want to do. You can use cups, bottles, garbage bin. So you can just buy a smoke protector. You can just be more easier. So they use some matches because you don't know how to do it. So I wanted to try it for myself. So because I saw like our Science Max. I saw this guy named Phil. So you do it like by yourself and then you make it big. Like you do experiment big, so feel me? Wait, this shit not hiding. Yeah, let's choose the next one. First type of work. Rotating right now. See, it's mostly coming up. See, here kind of, you can see like a little bit coming out though. See, like here kind of coming out, you can see it. I barely can see it. So, yeah, I should buy two. I can do my whole thing again. So, I don't know more matches, so that's the episode of Hair Candy.